What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we got this 2006 ACURA TSX. If you got an ACURA TSX and you do not have this one with the LED model, LED lights in the back, but this one doesn't have LEDs, as you can see. The brake light works here. Brake light works right there. However, our brake light doesn't work over here. So I'm going to show you how to change this bulb. There's a turn signal bulb in there, so you'll know how to change that. And the process is same over here. So I will not be touching this side, but the process is the same, and I'll show you how to change that, and I'll give you the bulb size. So let's go inside. Let's look at what we got inside. So I'm pressing the brake pedal with this stick. That's how I had these lights on. Now they're off since I pulled it off. But anyways, let's pop the trunk. What we're gonna do is very easy to change these bulbs. So what we're gonna do is, you want to go over here. It's the same thing on the opposite side. So all you do is you grab this guy and pull this. So the bulb for the brake right here is a dual bulb, okay? It's not a single bulb, because let's say I put on the headlights. We turn on the headlights. You see how the bulb illuminates? So when you press the brake, the same bulb gets brighter because it's two flares. So you cannot put a wrong bulb in there. Make sure you put the correct bulb in there. And what we're gonna do is, this is the bulb right here. So you wanna grab this guy and you wanna turn it counterclockwise. That's how simple it is. Just counterclockwise, just twist it. You're gonna feel a click. And there's our bulb. What you wanna do is, you want to just pull out that bulb. That's how easy it is. So this is burnt. So the size here is 7443. It's hard for the camera to focus, so we're gonna get that bulb. Went and got the bulb. Here's the new bulb, and look at the difference between this bulb and that bulb. You see that? One is all dark. So anyways, it's always a bad idea to hold the bulb in your hand, because you have got grease on your hand. It's gonna decrease the life of the bulb. So what you want to do is, you can take this bulb, you can put it in this direction or that direction, it doesn't matter. But if you get the wrong bulb, because there's two flares inside, there's two little windings inside, and if you get a single one, that's gonna blow your fuse. And all you do is, it doesn't matter which way, like I said, as long as it fits in there. And what we're gonna do is just stick this guy right in there. And after that, just take a cloth or your shirt, clean up that bulb. All you do is, you see these teeth, these little grooves, there's 1, 2, 3 of them, so that's how it matches up. So all you do is you put this bulb in there and just try to figure out that slot, okay, where you find the click at, and just twist it around. It will fall in there where it needs to be at. Okay, I'm totally off. And once you get it to the spot, you now, nope, that was not good. That did not go in. Come on, baby. See, you can even see the bulb in there moving around. You can even see the bulb move around from this side. So once you get it to the spot, let me grab my light off the floor. Once it goes to the spot, all you're gonna do is, you're gonna feel that click now. Turn it clockwise. There you go. Okay, and then you got other bulbs in here. You got same process over here. I'm not gonna pull this one out because it is working. So here's your bulb for turn signal, and you got 1 liter side marker bulb right there. So there's a bulb in here. We're all the same process. Just make sure you look at the size of the bulb, and single flare, dual flare. Now let's take a look at this bulb. We're not gonna be changing this bulb, but let's see how we're gonna change this bulb if this one is not working. So down here, just grab this guy and you turn it. Same process. And what you want to do is, you want to pull out the bulb same way and put it back. It doesn't matter which direction. This is a single flare bulb, okay? I'm gonna demonstrate it, then I want to have to pull out this bulb, clean it up. So same thing, you get this back in there and you click it right back in. Same process goes for over here, no difference. But now let's use our stick to figure out if this guy is working now. There you go. Our bulbs are working. Bada bing, bada boom. Should be a 5-minute job, no more than that. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.